guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a handbag unboxing. I'm really excited. This is from a French brand, a Parisian brand that has been around for many years. I think 29 in total. They do a lot of ready to wear, a lot of beauty, but they recently just got into the handbag game. So this is not the original video that I planned to post this weekend, but I had broke my camera. I'm filming on my iPhone. I don't know if you can tell. Hopefully the quality is okay, but I'm filming on my iPhone because I had broke my actual camera. My last video, my vlog video, I talked about that, and the video that I had filmed to go up this weekend, it just was not good. It worked out perfectly because yesterday I got this in the mail, which was a Friday, and I have not unboxed it yet, and I'm so excited to show you what's in here. Like I said, it's by a brand that just recently came out with a handbag. So let's open it up together now on camera. Actually, I think I need scissors. Give me 1 second. I opened it up and there is a little card for me inside. So now you might be able to see the brand, but the brand is Paul & Joe. Like I said, they've been around for I think 29 years with a lot of ready-to-wear items. Stunning, gorgeous, very, I would say it's more expensive. It's a very higher price point for the ready-to-wear items, but I know that the majority of their items are still made in France. That's one of their sort of core values. So I used to have Paul & Joe makeup. They still have Paul & Joe beauty, but I think it was 2018 is when I got my first lipstick. I'll put a little picture, I don't have it anymore, but of what it looks like. It has a little cat. You look here, they always feature the founder's cat, which the little white one is Gypsy, and then the little brown, or not brown, it's orange actually, that is Nunette. I don't know if I'm saying it right. And so they always feature a lot of cats, and they always feature them, and it's so cute. So I had picked up one of the little cat lipsticks, and then our Shoppers Drug Mart, which is a pharmacy, discontinued the brand. So I had bought, like, a whole bunch of them went on to clearance, and I had bought so many of them because they're just so cute. But I'm going to read this. It says, "Hi Lauren, we're delighted to send you the," I'm going to pronounce it wrong, I think it's Mathilde bag from the latest Paul & Joe collection, the leather collection. I can't also pronounce that word. It says, "You'll also find a little gift inside. Looking forward to seeing you from the Paul & Joe team." So now I'm really excited because there's a little gift inside. This gift bag is so cute. It's like artwork. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's talk about the handbag now. It was really neat because back in January, one of the members from the team had reached out to me and just said they would be launching their handbag soon and would I like to receive one. And then they just asked me, they were in the production of making them, and they had all these prototypes. And so they sent me some of their different designs, and they basically just want feedback on it, which was so cool to be able to do that. So let's open this one up. So excited. I said this one is the Mathilde bag. I'm butchering it, in the color marron. Again, butchering it, and then it has a little bit about on the inside, but it's all in French. So let me show you this handbag. This is the one that I chose. Oh, I am so excited. I'm so excited. And then they also said there's a little, oh, there is a gift. Oh my God. Oh. It's like a little, is this a little pouch or a bag? It's a little bag. Oh my gosh. It's a little bag with Gypsy on it. It's like a little, I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. It's like a corduroy handbag, and then it just says Paul & Joe there. It is so tiny. What can I use this for? Oh my gosh. Why am I so excited about this? This isn't even the actual handbag, but it's so cute. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to put in here yet, but I'm excited for this. What a cute little gift. Now moving on to the actual handbag. Guys, this is so stunning. The feel of it. So this is suede. It is made with calf as well as cowskin leather. All the leather, it comes from Italy, and then it is made in Morocco. Can you see the gorgeous brown suede of it? And then the side has the pebbled leather. So it's not all suede. It definitely has some texture. So I was looking at all the bag trends for 2025. Brown suede handbags with the belt, which this checks off 3. But it's also such a classic shape and design. It's so beautiful. I have to open this up. I am so excited. So like I said, this was my choice because this is very much me. It's very minimal. So you can see here, there's just gold hardware and it has P and J. So it has the Paul and Joe kind of logo there, but it's very discreet. The stitching on the leather there is white, so it kind of contrasts a little bit, as well as the stitching on the suede there is also white, which is nice. There are no feet at the bottom, but the bottom is not suede. It is that leather. I don't really need to worry about the leather being damaged on the bottom there. And then the back is just very plain. The handles are made from that pebbled leather again with the white stitching. The strap drop is really nice. When I was looking online, the model was showing her wearing it under her arm like this, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag, but then you can also carry it obviously in the crook of your arm or just handheld. So let's open her up and see what she looks like on the inside. There is a little attachment here that offers some security so that you can close it. Hopefully this angle is better, but now you can actually see how gorgeous this suede is and the full details on the front of the handbag there. This one you actually can't function like a belt. You can't loosen it up. On the belt is secured down. So even if you were to open this up, it would only sort of adjust one side. And then again, the back of the handbag, very minimal. I love the design of it. And then when you open it up, you have a couple of pockets. Again, this is the back. So the back is right here. It just says Paul and Joe. And then there is a zipper compartment right there. This is fairly large and very spacious. So you can see there. And then the back also has another separate compartment right behind, right in front of the zipper. And then the main compartment, you can see here, it is lined in this beautiful kind of beige cotton lining there, very similar to Loewe, I would say. And then if you move to the front of the front of the handbag as well, if it focuses, see that there is this little, another one of these little leather pieces that you can open up. And then there is a really big pocket on the front. So there is quite a bit of organization to this larger tote bag. Really do like how there are so many different compartments in this handbag. So let's talk price point. Here in Canada, this is $700. And again, this is an all leather handbag, leather from Italy, crafted in Morocco. The stitching and all the details, impeccable. I did look at this off camera because I want to be 100% honest with you. The glazing on the side, you can see is just done so well. It's not misshapen at all. It's just done so perfectly, even the bottom. And I think it's because, like I said, they had messaged me back in February and they just released these handbags now. I really think they took their time with this and they're just so intentional with the design. Like I said, they've been around for 29 years. They want to make a really amazing capsule or a collection of handbags to come out with to live up to their name. So I'm really impressed with it. Again, 100% honest, this is not sponsored. They did kindly send me this handbag, but I am very, very impressed with it. And for $700, considering that so many handbags from luxury designers in this style with the suede are up to like $7,000 Canadian. So I think this is a really good price point if you are in the market for this style of handbag. And like I said, the 2025 predictions for luxury or for handbags, the trends, again, the bigger suede handbags with the belt design. I think this, I mean, it's just stunning. We'll include some modeling shots so you can see how it looks like on my frame. But again, I'm so happy that the strap drop fits so nicely over the shoulder, so you can wear it with bulkier sweaters or a bigger jacket, but as well you can carry it in the crook of your arm or just handheld. As well, it is reinforced so that it does keep its shape. I know that's one of the features, so I can feel on the front here that it is reinforced, as well as the bottom. You can see that it has that reinforcement there, so it shouldn't ever lose its shape, but it's not super structured to the point. You can see, like, I can smush it. Well, maybe you can't see because I'm too close, but you can see I can smush it against my body, kind of like this. So it's not a really sort of, I don't know, really large handbag that's gonna bump into things. So I definitely appreciate that it has structure, but because it's suede, it's just also nice and soft and smushy. So thank you so much to Paul and Joe for sending me that handbag. And because I have a new handbag in my collection, I think it's only fair that I give one away that I have not been using. So This is by Ateliers Auguste. I talked about this handbag brand and this handbag specifically in one of my recent videos. I will link it here, but I have not used this. It is called the Sully handbag, and the leather is stunning and it is beautiful, but for me, it's a more of that structured handbag style, and I already have that one from Patou that is very similar to this one, so I just don't see myself needing this handbag. So I want to give it away to one of you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it and you love it and you use it, because I just don't want this sitting in my closet. I think that would be the easiest if you just leave me the double heart emoji down below, and then I'll go through, I'll enter all the names into sort of that random generator, and then I will leave you a message under your comment, and then we can talk about how I can get this handbag to you. Usually I'll just ask you to provide me your Instagram handle. I can message you on Instagram that way. So blessed to receive so many amazing handbags from different brands, and it's really thanks to you guys for watching to me and subscribing and leaving me comments and just being able to grow my channel, that I am able to receive so many cool things. And like I said, this stunning handbag from Paul and Joe. Thank you again so much for watching and for all your love and your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.